Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Dilmy. It is 8:53 a.m. and I am having some breakfast right now. My mom made tamales the other day, Salvadorian tamales. So that's what I'm having for breakfast this morning. And let me show you guys. Here it is. I love tamales for breakfast with a coffee. Look how good they look. Oh my goodness. I am eating 2 of them because, like I said, I love tamales for breakfast. And right here I have a coffee. Look at this cute mug that I got at Dollar Tree. Yeah, so coffee and Salvadorian tamales for breakfast this morning. And I hope you enjoyed this video. With that being said, on today's video, we're going to the zoo for the day. It's gonna be fun. My cousin is gonna come get me here in a few minutes. They're gonna be here soon. My cousin is picking me up here in 15 minutes. I wanted to do the intro here really fast. It's about an hour and 40 minutes drive. But yeah guys, I just wanted to tell you guys what I'm eating for breakfast. My mom's tamales are my favorite. Hi Styles, what are you doing? I'm trying to feed him before I go. I have to walk him and stuff too. So guys, I am going to finish eating here. I'll see you guys when I get there in about 2 hours. It's gonna be a fun day. Stay tuned and see you soon. Hi guys, welcome back. We are at the zoo now. It's 11:30 now. I have been here. My cousin and her friend have never been here before. This is like my second time here. It's been a while though since I came here. I think it's been like 10 years back. Let me show you guys my little outfit of the day. Just some jeans and this little top and my chocolate sandals. So let's go. Okay guys, so we are at the main entrance right now. And I think right here, we're gonna have to pay. Alrighty guys, so we're here and we started the zoo with this big old ball right here.
Show yourself.
This is my cousin Norma right here. She has a nice body. But yeah guys, it feels good. This is the map guys. It's a big zoo. This is like a huge zoo. So we're right here. She wants to get on a train. Yep.
So let's go.
Let's go. That's her friend.
Choo choo.
Choo choo. I hope you guys have fun with us. Excuse my chubby arms. Look, ahí nos deberíamos de contar. Look at this. Is this banana? How would you describe? Is this banana trees?
Banana trees.
Banana trees. Oh. Alright guys, we're gonna keep walking and then I'll be back. Yeah. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my god. I got it on camera. So, see. This little area right here, it's called Life in the Desert.
Está atorándose comiendo. Nosotros decimos
Atorándose. Look at this guy eating. He's a fatty. What's in here? Oh, same thing. Oh, es una tortugota. Big turtle.
Mira, allá arriba hay más.
Oh, wow. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hey.
¿Dónde?
Ya no quiero verlo. Ay.
A mí yo a las arañas no les tengo miedo. ¿Dónde está esta?
This is for Andrea's husband right here.
¿Esas son de ¿A dónde están?
Wow, she looks very friendly.
Mira, esas son de las
Wow,
que
looks like she wants to attack me badly. Hey there, buddy. Oh shoot, I have this on.
Don't be a lazy guy. Mira la gran panzota que tiene. Pero para alimentarlo debe ser caro. No sé cuánta carne me deben de comer. ¿Quién sabe, Jaime?
Oh, he has his stuff in his, ¿cómo se dice? In his body. They are making love.
Es que no tiene que. Mira como que son dos las que hay. Tócale. Creo que no nos ve. Okay. Sí, porque mira cómo va. Y va sacando la lengüita.
Y que le fuera dando con todo y se fuera quebrando el vidrio.
Cállate. Tócale. Mira bien si te mira, mira.
Sí. She says, "What's up, guys?" There are.
No, de verdad.
Where'd Dory go? Where'd Dory go? Oh, they're so beautiful. Yeah, se ve apagada esa. Look at this one, Norma. Oh,
Esas son medusas.
oh,
Esas son
hi.
medusas. La rosada.
Hi, I love you. Oh, this is the prettiest turtle I ever seen in my life. Hi. Hi, girly. You're like, they're not. Okay, you go. Feeding them. Oh my god.
Mira la tortuguita y la tortuga. ¿De dónde está la mía?
Oh, yeah. Ya se lo creaste todo.
Ya tiene todo. I feel like $2 now.
¿No veo una alberca aquí? Pues están cerrados hoy. Estuve viendo.
Where's my best friend? My best friend.
Oigan, hay pescaditos chiquitos. Pero güey, míralo y se mira como un pinche T-Rex.
Look at this one.
Pero mira desde abajo. Mira, este que tal se mira, este marisco playa azul tiene. Ah, pero este es de allá de Arkansas.
Sí, le tienes que poner tulsa.
Ah, mantarraya. No, sí, mantarraya.
Hi, what are you doing? Hi, monkey.
Frank.
Wow.
¡Qué grande! Esa es una anaconda. Ven, agacha un desvergue.
Hi, buddy.
Pues imagínate, ellos porque no son inteligentes. Pero si fueran otro inteligente, se tirara, rompe el vidrio.
No,
Sí.
deja de eso. Si yo fuera este cabrón, me brincara hasta allá arriba.
Ajá, pero es que ellos están dominados a que no pueden salir, pues.
Sí,
So friendly.
Pero es que los amarillos.
Where's the panda at?
Ey, este se llama Yannick. Y otro dice, no, se llama Bessie Martin. Uno dice Racer Family.
Those are my cousins over there, guys. Una se llama Norma y la otra es... No, la Norma and my imaginary friend.
La más grandota, la que está comiendo. Mira, hay una más grande.
So beautiful. Guys, this has been, oh my gosh, a lot of walking. We're still like not even, well, we're about to be like halfway, I think. Well, a little less than halfway, but it's fun. Oh, so handsome. He's taking a good nap. Very chill guy.
uno? Yo creo que
He's not dead, guys. He's not dead. He's taking a nap. Guys, we are done at the zoo. So that was, what time did we get here? Like 11:30?
11:30 probably.
Yeah, I think we got here like 11:30, and now it is 1:45, and we got here like 11:30. It's a huge zoo, guys. Now me and the girls are gonna go get some food. See you soon. This is where we're gonna eat, guys. El Patrón, Cocina Mexicana. Woo! No? We got some food, guys. Mexican food. What you got there? Chimichangas, molcajete.
Ni se ve que se baja para nada, ¿eh?
No, yo no lo estoy, es que no lo estoy tomando, nada más estoy picoteando.
With beans and rice. Hi guys, welcome back. So this is the end of this video. It is 6:36. We're still here and we are heading home now. So it's about an hour and 40 minutes till we get home. Yeah, so we went to eat, and after that we went to this park, but it was just like a trail, like exercising trail, so it was kind of boring. We went there because it looked super nice, and it was like a 20 minutes drive from where we ate. I got me some good cheesecake here at the Cheesecake Factory, so that was awesome. And then we stopped at the mall here, and that was, oh my gosh, that was tiring. So I am exhausted for the day, and it's gonna be an hour and 40 minutes till I get home. So I'm gonna close this video here. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.